In this session, we will talk about the text functions in Excel. So we will try to cover like 10, 11 functions here. And these are the important ones which I have selected, keeping in mind the rest of the modules and the further requirement at advanced level. So like this is the data we have, and these are the functions which we are going to use, and we will understand the use case as well. So like in case I want to find out some between portion, mid portion from this text. So how to take that out? So for that, we will use mid function where we have three arguments. First is the text from which I want to extract some of the portion. Start number from which letter, like from starting from fourth letter, and how many characters? 5 characters. So what I'm saying here, I'm saying that from this text in A2 is starting with character 4. It means this second R till fifth letter. So this R, Y, blank space, W and E. Cut this portion and I say enter. So it's giving me that particular portion. Similarly, in case we have something like this, we always prefer to write name where the first letter is capital in name and surname both. But in case somebody is writing the name like this, so how to correct that? And keep in mind that you have a long list in hand. So you're not supposed to go to every name and fix it manually. So what is one formula to fix it for you in a minute? So we will use proper function. Proper, give the text as argument and enter. It will fix this issue for you using this formula. Similarly, we have repeat function. What it does, it will repeat the supplied text for you n number of times, and that n will be defined by you only. So equal to repeat, REPT, not the full name, text. This is my text, and number of times I want it to repeat 4, and it will repeat this text 4 times for you. Have you ever seen the data where somebody has written the name with so many spaces, or after the name, they are leaving the spaces like this? So when you use this sort of data, VLOOKUP creates problem because it's not able to read the correct data. You cannot analyze data. So basically, what is the first step? The first step is that you need to fix this data. You need to make this data Excel friendly. How to do that? So these all are the functions which are used to make your data Excel friendly. So one of the functions trim is used to remove extra spaces. So equal to trim and just single argument the text which you need to fix and OK. So it will remove all the extra spaces from anywhere, be it at the starting, in the middle, or at the end. Okay, in case you have a text like this, so how to change it in upper letters? All the letters in uppercase. Simple, write upper, give your text as argument, and it will convert the entire text into uppercase. Have you ever seen the data like this? Nowadays, we have become habitual to use K instead of 000. But can you actually use this data for any kind of analysis? No. At the end of the day, you need to replace this K with 000. So how to convert it? So what will we do? We will use the function substitute. What it does? Text. So this is my text. Old text, K. What is the new text? I need to replace K with 000 and OK. And drag. It's going to fix all your data. It will replace all the K with 000. Concatenate is one function which has been used in various hacks. So when we proceed towards the advanced modules like VLOOKUP or data validation or anywhere, we use this function quite often. So what does this function actually does? So in case I need to connect or I need to join n number of text together, how to do that? So concatenate and supply the text you want to join. Like this is my text 1, this is my text 2, this is my text 3, and you can supply n number of text. And what it will do? It's going to join all the text together. So basically it will concatenate all the text being supplied as argument. Like we have the upper function, we have the lower function as well. So in case we want to change the case of this text to lower letter, what will we do? Lower, we will supply this text as argument and it will change the case to lower from upper. Okay. There is another function, find. What it does? Find. Go to this pop-up. So what this function does, it returns the starting position of the one text string within another text string. And find is case sensitive also. So find text. Which text I need to find? I want to find this. WEI. In which text? In this text. From where to start searching? From letter 1 and say OK. So it says that the text I was looking for, WEI, starts from the letter 7. Is it true? Yes. So berry contains 5 letters and then sixth one is that space, and W, which I was looking for, starts from the 7th number. So basically find function is giving you the position, starting position of that text. What does replace function does? Replace. Okay, old text. So this is my old text. Starting number 1, number of characters, for example 5, new text. So basically I'm saying in this text, starting from number 1 letter till 5 characters, put this text. Harry. So Harry instead of Barry. And I say okay. So it will make Barry Birich as Harry Birich. This is how the replace function is used. So there is one more function called search. How to use that? Search. What it does, returns the number of the characters at which a specific character or text string is first found. So this is as same as the find function. Both are returning the starting position of the text which we are looking for. Let's use it. Like we were trying to find out WEI when we were using find function. Within text, which text? This text. Starting number 1. And I said, okay. It is also returning me 7. So what is the difference between these two functions? What is the difference between find and search? So in case you read here, it says find is case sensitive. And in case we go to the search function, it says it's not case sensitive. So this is the difference. So in case you have that kind of data where there can be issues with respect to the case sensitive factor, use search function instead of find, because this is the only difference between these two functions. So search is not case sensitive while find function is case sensitive. So this is all about text